Hello and welcome to the Papi Chulo channel. My name is Chris and this is a quick unboxing and authentication guide for the Nike SB Dunk Low Premium Mummy. This is a purple box release from 2021. This example does not have a suggested retail tab. Should have green wood grain on the inside paper and blank on the other side. There is a stamp on the inside of the box and a YCM moisture sticker. Cup outsole glows in the dark, so does that little scarab there, and the mummy's face. The upper is mostly canvas with white double stitching. The swoosh is a soft, light green, short nap suede. The tongue is stuffed like a retail. Watch for overstuffing, fakes are prone to that. There is the Eye of Horus on both back tongue tags. The mummy face on the back is made up of a flat cream composite leather. The eyes are made up of threading. The right shoe has a loose bandage. Typically, the top of the iris is where the eyes start. And don't miss that little white glare. Mummies come with an extra lace set in neon green that is just loose in the packaging. Fakes will typically use lace baggies, and that's a great tell. The shoes are stuffed with undyed paper. The insole print has great fidelity and both insoles should not look the same. Nike SB and Air Zoom logos on the heel do not glow in the dark. The Zoom Air units have little Easter eggs, the right being a scarab and the left saying eek. Yeah. The Strobel is white nylon with guideline info stamped on and a lot of double white stitching. On this pair, the cup outsole stitching is lime green and cream. And on the heel area, you can see the back of the cream Phylon plate in a little hole. And if this mummy makes you feel dead, imagine how dead you'd feel if they got dirty. PapiChulo.com, that's Papi-SHOELO.com. I have sneaker care products and I also offer sneaker restoration and cleaning services. Please check it out. Right now is a $50 deep clean only on Papi-Chulo.com. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe. Please make sure to check out Papi-Chulo.com for any of your sneaker care needs. Check out my Instagram and my TikTok where I show some of my work. And remember, real sneakerheads show love.